Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Fresh Values reward card to the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your Fresh Values reward card to the Smiths app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, click on the upper left-hand corner where it says your profile icon. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll all the way down, and then you're going to find the tab that says Fresh Values Reward Card. Click on that. And then this is where you're going to enter or find your Fresh Values Reward Card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Fresh Values Reward Card. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.